Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use YouTube's live take break feature with OBS setup. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and go to youtube.com. In the upper right corner, click the Create button, then select Go Live from the drop-down menu. Next, in the bottom left panel, click the gear icon. You'll see two options here. You can either use the default overlay or choose from your existing videos. For this example, we'll use the default overlay. Since I've already enabled Use Default Overlay, I'll click it, and then in the bottom right, click Save. This will open up the URL link that you need to copy. As I mentioned earlier, since I've already enabled this option, I'll show you the next step. Click Copy Link right beside the URL link to copy it to your clipboard. Now, open your OBS app, click the plus icon under Scenes, then name it something like Take a Break and click OK. This creates a dedicated scene specifically for your break overlay. In the bottom left, navigate to Sources, then click the plus icon. From the list, select Browser, then click OK. Now, navigate to the URL field. Delete the existing URL link and paste the URL link you copied earlier from YouTube. Check the box beside Control Audio via OBS. This ensures that any audio from the overlay is managed through OBS. Scroll down until you find Shutdown Source when not visible. Then check the box beside it. This optimizes performance by only running the source when it's actively visible. Then click OK. Right-click on the browser source, then hover your mouse over Transform and select Fit to Screen. This ensures the overlay displays properly across your entire stream canvas. In order to see the preview and test if everything works, go back to YouTube. In the upper right, click Start a Break. You'll be able to select whether you want 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. Then click Start. Finally, go to your OBS app to see if it works. You should now see the break overlay displaying correctly in your OBS scene. And that's it. You've successfully set up YouTube's live take break feature with OBS. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.